Good day, my people. I welcome you to a wonderful episode once again. This is another wonderful episode. By the way, I remain Chimpro Auto Technology. In our channel, you can find every kind of electronics, mechanical and electrical appliances, technologies, machines, equipment, all kinds of machines, all kinds of technology. We deal on this platform, we deal on this channel. We give consultation. You consult us on your equipment, you consult us on your instruments, on your appliances. You share your idea with us, we share our ideas with you. You bring down your question on the comment section below. We can attend to you. We remain Chimpro Auto Technology Group. In this episode, once more, what I'm about to show you is ice block machinery. As you can see, in this fridge is an ice block machine. Here are the ice blocks. As you can see, these are the ice blocks in the machine. Yes, these are the ice blocks. This is how we tie them. It is cooling and it's forming very well. This is ice block boss. We deal on ice block machines. You can consult us if you need one. We offer sales. We also buy fairly used. We also sell fairly used. If you want to buy, you call us, we come and construct for you. Whichever way you want it. If you are the type that wants to open an ice block business, this is the boss, and these are the blocks inside the boss. They are chilling and forming very well. As you can see, it's a powerful ice block machine. This one comes with one compressor at the back. This is 40, 45 to 50 blocks in there, right in there. Yes, I just locked it up. These are others. This one is another 40 block on its own. This one also is another 40 block on its own. This one is another 40 block on its own. This one is 50 block. I mean to say, this one is 40 block. As you can see, this is 40 block and it's cooling properly, it's cooling well, it's forming 40 blocks inside there. And these are the compressor. This is the compressor. This is 2 horsepower compressor. As you can see, the eyes on the body is forming and it's chilling. As you can see clearly, that's the eyes on the body. That's the eyes on the body of the compressor. This is 2 horsepower compressor. Here is another one. Again, as you can see, it's another 45 block on its own. See how it's cooling properly. It's also chilling. It's also chilling down. It's cooling and it's forming very well. Consult us. wherever you are. If you are within the axis of Port Harcourt, you consult us. We sell, we manufacture, and we resell, and we buy fairly used. Here is another set on its own. As you can see, it's forming. It's forming very well. As you can see, it's forming. It's icing. These are the blocks inside the machine. This one also has one compressor at the back. Our number remains 070 48 90 50 43. I come again, 070 48 90 50 43. 070 48 90 50 43. Or you can, our branch office is at number 27 off Ibeche Road, Eleme Junction, Rumukurushi, Port Harcourt. Or you can also reach us at number 7 off East West Road, Pipeline, by Tank Road, Pipeline Axis, Rumukurushi, Port Harcourt. If you are not in Port Harcourt and you need information, or you are a technician that works on ice block machine, you want to find out how to construct it, or you want to find out what is wrong with your ice block machine, or you are an ice block machine owner and you find out that your compressor stopped working, you can consult us, you can call us, you can put down your comments below the comment section below for us to reach you, ask your question. Here are the pipes that lead outside to the compressor. Here again, here another pipe that leads outside to the compressor. As you can see, this one is forming correctly. So you consult us, ask your question. If your compressor stopped working, how to go about it, what is wrong with your compressor or your bus, if it's not cooling, if it's not producing ice, if it's not producing block. There are so many things that could be the cause: restriction, air in the system, no gas. There are so many things that could be wrong with it. If it stops cooling, if it's not producing ice block, consult us. Put down your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't also forget to subscribe. Give us a like. Such a wonderful episode will definitely be coming your way each and every time. Ask us questions. Whatever is your problem with your machine, with your ice block machine, how you want it to be done, ask your question. Or you're a technician, you want to know more about it. You can see here is the compressor. It's forming. As you can see, it's forming ice on the body. Here is another compressor that is powering one of the 45 blocks. Here is another one. This one is powering one of the 45 blocks. Here are other compressor. This one also is powering one of the 45 blocks. Let's go forward. Here's another compressor. As you can see, this one also is powering one of the 50 blocks. Yes. Let's go to another one. Here it is. Another compressor is powering one of the 45 to 50 blocks. Let's go to another one. Here is another compressor over there. Here is another one. This one is coming. As you can see, the eyes is coming on the body. So don't forget to ask your question and let us know what is wrong with your machine. As you keep watching for another episode, remain blessed and God bless. Don't forget to hit the subscription button, like button. Don't forget to give us a like. Don't forget to give us a question on the comment section down below. We remain Chimpro Auto Tech Group. We deal on consultation, we deal on repairing, we deal on servicing, we deal on sales, we deal on resales, fairly used, we buy fairly used and we sell fairly used, machines, equipment, electronics appliances, mechanical appliances, electrical appliances. Consult us on 070 4890 5043. I come again, 070 4890 5043, or you can reach us at number 27 off Ibechi Road, Eleme Junction, Rumubushi, Port Harcourt, or at number 7 Pipeline off East West Road, close to town, Port Harcourt, River State. God bless you and remain blessed.